Hi guys, with this video, you can create PT account, you can book the PT slot, you can make the payment using credit card or PT voucher. And this is the quickest video on internet. In just 5 minutes time, you can do all these things for yourself. You can finish everything in just 5 minutes time. And to start, you need these things: passport details and email ID of yours, mobile number. These three things we needed before we start off. First, click the link in the description. Now, when you click the link in the description, you will be going to this page. This is official sign up page of Pearson PTE. You can see sign up button in the bottom. You click it. When you click it, you will go into this page. This page will ask you for your email ID. Since you're ready with your email ID, you will enter your email ID here. And once you enter your email ID, that will become by default your username. If you wish to change it, you can always change it. And now enter the next after selecting the password. And then you enter your first name, last name, all these details as per the passport. First name is your name or given name on the passport. Last name is surname on the passport that you have to enter. If you don't have surname, you have to put a dot. And after writing the surname, you have to enter the date of birth. Again, as per the passport, there should not be any deviation. Okay, all the details that you're filling should be according to passport. Once again, I'm reminding you. And those who already have an account should not create a second account with PT. That's not ideal. Click. You can click 2 checkboxes, no problem. Now, partially your account is created. There is a login ID, there is a password. Now, you are left with 2 things. One is verifying email. The second thing is completing your profile. Now, click the verify email. Okay. Now, once you go into your email inbox, you will be able to see verification mail coming. You click it and verify your email. This is how it gets verified. You can see on the screen, redirected to the Pearson PTE account. Now you are expected to complete your profile. The missing details you have to now fill. Now select the gender and then country of birth according to passport. Okay. And city of birth according to passport. City of birth is mentioned as place of birth on your Indian passport if you are having Indian passport. Then you will enter country of citizenship. If you are holding up in your Indian passport, definitely you will have Indian citizenship. Next, the address, as much it permits. If it doesn't permit the entire address, no need to worry. How much it permits, that much you enter. No need to feel panic, because PT does not send you result at your home address. City you enter as per the passport. Then you enter your mobile number. And if you tick this checkbox here, you will get the notifications. And one more thing that you should do is this. Okay, I'll just show you. Are you ready to book today without special arrangement, special test arrangements? Guys, this is not necessary for anybody who does not have any disability. If you have any disability that stops you from taking the PT exam comfortably, in such an occasion, you can reach out to customer care. Accordingly, you can fill the form. Okay, but if you don't have any disability to take the exam, you can proceed. Now save, click save, change is saved. Now your profile is filled completely. Congratulations, now your PT account is 100% complete. Next step is to schedule the exam and make the payment. Now here on the home page, you can see on the top right hand side, your first name and last name initials will be displayed. In this case, we have created account for Allu Arjun. So you can see AA coming here like a logo. All right, so here, find your test. You have this thing. There you select the country. You click it. Drop down will open. Select a country from the list. Click next and select the goal: study, work, settlement, whatever. Let's say in this occasion, I'm selecting study and clicking. It is suggested the test. The test suggested is PT academic. Which language do you speak at home? You should select the language here. This should be clicked mandatorily. This can be left without any detail. And again, agree for this one as well, terms and conditions, first one, second one. These two checkboxes have to be clicked, selected, no harm. Here you can always choose internet search or whatever, however you come to know PTE. That's fine. You can select the country. All these details can be filled, but try to, fill it carefully. Give authentic information. There's no harm. Let's say click. Now you'll be entering into terms and conditions page. As a responsible test taker, you should run through these policies. Once you've gone through, as a responsible student, you should go through and click the agree in the bottom right hand side. You will get onto test centers page, scheduling page. You can see find an appointment. Appointments page you are on. So it automatically suggests the nearest center. Since the profile is from Hyderabad, it is first of all showing the Hyderabad thing. So this candidate does not want to book in October, he wants to book in next month or something, whichever the month. You should simply go into that month, select a date, choose a time, and then click the book button. If you freezed on one, if you have selected one. Done? Okay. So now the estimated total due is 14,700. Okay. In India at the moment. Click the proceed to checkout in the bottom right hand side. Click proceed to checkout. You will be going to the payment page. On the payment page, you can pay via credit card. This 14,700. You can pay via credit card by filling all these details. Or you can even pay the amount using a voucher by entering the voucher code in this box and clicking the apply. And after that, your test will be booked. You will get a confirmation email. That's it.